Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Gohighlevel. Let's jump right in. To do this, we need to make sure of two things: that you're logged into your GoDaddy account as an administrator under domain configuration, and that you're logged into your Gohighlevel account. What we're looking to get from GoDaddy is your domain name servers, and TXT records. Once you're logged into GoDaddy, go to Domain Manager. The URL for that is dcc.godaddy.com/control. Here, you'll see all the domains you've registered. Click the three dots next to the domain you want to manage. From there, copy the name servers and the domain name. Next, head over to your Gohighlevel dashboard. On the left-hand side, navigate to Funnels and Websites. Then go to Site Settings. You'll see three options: Site Details, Custom Domains, and Email Settings. Since we're connecting a GoDaddy domain, click on Custom Domains. Paste the domain name you copied from GoDaddy into the input field. Make sure both platforms are unlocked so the transfer can go through. Then hit Save. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now successfully connected to Gohighlevel. If this guide helped you, drop a comment below and let us know. For more step-by-step tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.